So we can also use those trigonometric ratio in finding for the required angle. Say in example number 3, in triangle DGH, angle H is a right angle. This is angle H. And then H, which is the hypotenuse, is 13. And then our G, which is the opposite of angle G, is equal to 5. What is the measure of angle D? So we're looking for this angle, specifically this angle. So you know that the side adjacent to D is 5 and the hypotenuse is equal to 13. Then we will be using cosine instead of sine. We can't use sine primarily because there is no opposite given. We only have like the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So adjacent and then hypotenuse, that will give us cosine. So cosine D is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. I repeat, we cannot use sine here because we don't have the opposite side. Our adjacent there is 5 and our hypotenuse is 13. So we have like cosine D here is, I'm sorry for my solution. So the measure of angle D is equal to cosine inverse of 5 over 13. So we can find this angle using the Desmos Scientific calculator, but you'll have to make sure that your calculator is expressed in degree and not in radian. So cosine, inverse of cosine, and then 5 divided by 13, that is 67.38. If your calculator is not in degree, it is expressed in radian, this will give us 1.17. Okay? So the calculator must be in degree to get 67.38. So this is 67.38 expressed in, or your answer must be expressed in 1 decimal place. It should be 67.4. So therefore, the measure of angle D is equal to 67.4 degrees. Okay. Answer this practice exercise test number 3. What is the measure of angle A in each of the triangle? And then afterwards, you can start working on your Math Excel classwork. Classwork name is 14.3, right triangle and trigonometric ratio.